Exams. Someone's opinion is, let's get rid of exams. We can keep tests, but let's get rid of cumulative exams. In someone's opinion, exams do not encourage real learning as the student memorize lots of information. And then after the exam, they immediately forget it. In consequence, this is just learning by heart. And in someone's opinion, teachers have different ways of assessing students' abilities. But these exams might vary according to the teachers who run the classes, so it cannot buy a real picture of what the student knows. And in someone's opinion, the exams are what more students need to understand is that certain kind of exams, experiences promote learning that lasts longer, which helps them in subsequent courses and after they graduate. And then I think exams are the way to examine if students have done justice with the studies, what gaps they need to bridge, and furthermore, exams are taken to prepare them for exams of life and career ahead. Definitely, exam is useful to know the student's hard work. And then, actually, studying is like exercising. When one exercises, the muscles in use grow stronger. Likewise, the process of searching through one's memory and retrieving the relevant information strengthens the memory pathway for future uses. This means that when newly qualified teachers, doctors, lawyers, or accountants came to know, they come to retrieve information they need. It is as a consequence of having been practiced previously, now easier to access. So, how can we make use of the practice effect for memory? So, research tells us that learning is particularly strong when students self-test. In most disciplines, there are specific bodies of knowledge that students are expected to learn. That means physics students might learn about thermodynamics, while history students might learn about the Cold War. Exams enable us to accurately test students' breadth of understanding of these concepts. These tasks develop several important higher order thinking skills such as analysis and decision making. We also want fit for purpose where breadth of knowledge is important. We want assessment tasks that target this breadth. We want our future doctors to know of the entire human body. We want our future engineer to know about the entire world. We want our future teachers to know a full repertoire of teaching and learning approaches. Exam can help achieve this. I guess we must read and understand our subjects like we'll be needing it for the future. That is for us. When we read and understand something, the only thing left is memorizing, which becomes easy later. Take this once in a life opportunity to upgrade your skills. Explore the other dimensions of your life. Thank you.